Hello students, welcome to maths class. We are going to continue with jugs and mugs. So open your maths textbook page number 79 and let's start. Here water is written. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. They live in Gudalur village. The activity is given and water consumed or used in liters given. So cooking and drinking 30 liters, washing clothes 40 liters, cleaning pots and pans 20 liters, and for bathing 75 liters of water they have used. So total water used by them means we have to add these numbers and the answer will be 165 liters. So how many liters of water does your family use in a day? Guess and fill in the tables. Activity is given, water used in buckets we have to write, and water used in liters that we have to write. First of all, cooking and drinking, that is 2 buckets, and 1 bucket is 10 liters, that means 2 buckets is for 20 liters. Washing clothes 5 buckets, and that is for 50 liters. Cleaning pots and pans 3 buckets, and that is 30 liters. Now bathing 2 buckets, that is 20 liters. Then cleaning house 4 buckets, that is 40 liters. Then cleaning car 2 buckets, 20 liters. Watering plants, that is 8 buckets, and it is 80 liters. Children, I have wrote it on my own. You have to write your answers by your own. Now, drops and drops make an ocean. बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है, टीपे टीपे सरोवर भरा है. Children, water is very important and water is very precious. We must not waste water. Okay? So let's see. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? Yes, there is a tap in my school which is leaking. How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? About 20 liters of water is wasted through a leaking tap. Place your liter jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. So, after checking, after 1 hour, I found 1 liter of water in the bottle. Now, find out how much water is wasted in a day. So, water wasted in 1 day is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, quantity of water leaked in 1 hour is equal to 1 liter. So, in 24 hours is equal to unitary method we have to use. 24 multiplied by 1 liter is equal to 24 liters. So, what you will write? In a week, 24 liter multiplied by 7 days is equal to 24 liters. Okay? Now, water wasted in 1 week. So, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Quantity of water wasted in 1 day is 24 liter. So, water wasted in 1 week is 7 days. So, 24 multiplied by 7. We will do it with box multiplication, like 20 plus 4. 24 we will distribute in 20 plus 4. So, 20 and 4, and we will multiply with number 7. We will write it here. So, 20 multiplied by 7 and 4 multiplied by 7. 27s are we don't know. 7 2s are we know. 14, and this 0 of 20 we will put it here. So, it will become 140, and 4 7s or 7 4s are we know 28. Now, we will add this both number. 140 plus 28 is 168. So, in a month, in a week, 24 multiplied by 7 is 168 liters. Now, for what we will do? So, water wasted in 1 month is equal to 30 days. So, quantity of water wasted in 1 day is 24 liter. So, water wasted in 1 month is in 30 days is equal to 24 multiplied by 30. Okay. So, 30 we will not distribute because it is having 0. So we don't need to distribute it. But 24 we will distribute 20 plus 4. And now again with box multiplication we will solve this. So 30 multiplied by 20 and 30 multiplied by 4. That is 600 and that is 120. Now we will add 600 plus 120 is equal to 720. So the answer is, in a month 24 multiplied by 30 is equal to 720 liters. Now let's find out in a year. So water wasted in 1 year. The 1 year is equal to 365 days. Quantity of water wasted in 1 day is 24 liters. So water wasted in 1 year means 365 days. We are not considering leap year, that is why we have written 365 days. Okay. So 365 days multiplied by 24. Now children, here 365 is a bigger number. We will distribute it in 300 plus 60 plus 5. Ones, tens and hundreds. So 300 here, 60 here and 5 here. Now 24. We'll distribute 24 in 20 plus 4. So we will write 20 over here and 4 over here. Okay. Now we will multiply 300 with 20. So 300 multiplied by 20 is equal to 6,000. How come? We know 3 2s are. So I have written 3 2s are 6, and this 1, 2 and 3 0 I kept it, just put after the 6. So it becomes 6,000. Now 60 multiplied by 20. 6 2s are 12 and these 2 zeros I kept it here. So it is 1200. 20 5s are 100. Now we have to multiply with 4. So 300 multiplied by 4 is 1200. 60 multiplied by 4 is 240 and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So now we add up all these numbers. 6,000 plus 1200 plus 1200 plus 100 plus 240 plus 20 is equal to 8,760. So in a year 365 multiplied by 24 is equal to 8,760 liters of water wasted. I hope you understood this. Now let's move on to the Chalannur village has a milk society. Geeta and Amini went to there to buy 4 liters of milk, but the man could not find the 1 liter measure. He had only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him, but he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. Children, this much you have to solve by yourself and write down in your notebook as I have shown you in last video. Okay, so do it by yourself and write down in your notebook. Thank you.